Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have Coach John Reyes. Coach, congratulations. A happy birthday. Indeed.
Really happy birthday.
Going to overtime, you told your players, who would have thought you'd push San Miguel to OT. Now that you actually beat them, what can you say about this group of guys you have despite not having your key players?
First of all, I really don't know how we did it, but I just, from all of my emotional intelligence and mental strength coaching, I know how important mindset is. So we could have had an attitude going to overtime where we said, overtime na naman, we had the last shot. We could have had that negative attitude. That's why I made it a point to reframe it into a positive mindset. So I said, who would have thought? Okay, don't lose hope. Huwag kayo mawala ng loob. Who would have imagined the overtime natin ng San Miguel without our top 3 scorers? That's easily 60 points a game that we missed coming to this ball game. So, and I think that was important. I think all elite physical performance begins with the mind first, is my belief. And I think that kind of attitude helped this guy do what he did towards the end game. And yun lang naman sa team namin eh. We knew we didn't have a lot of our guys, our main scorers. And so we said, daanin na lang natin sa depensa. So in our practice, that's all we worked on was our defense to limit. Number 1 scoring team in the league sila ngayon, di ba? 120 a game. We limited them to essentially 73 ba in overtime. So thankfully the game plan worked. Yeah.
And now we're ready for the questions from the media.
Coach, good evening and happy birthday.
Thank you.
Coach, it's a good thing you got your bearings back in overtime after being held to just 8 points sa fourth quarter.
Tama ka. Yun lang ang wino-worry ko kasi we played them very well for 36 minutes but I knew we didn't have the players to last all the way through, and we were just counting on the fighting spirit of the players. They were basically running on fumes, running on gas. Nakita mo nga si Ralier nagka-cramps na and all that, and si Kim himself was not 100%. But the players on the bench and the injured players just kept encouraging them, and I think malaking bagay yun. And from our end as a coaching staff, we made it a point also to just be very supportive. Whether they make a turnover, they miss a shot, we just kept staying positive and telling them to just continue. If you're, gaya ng sabi ni Kim, if you're open, just shoot it, let it fly. My belief is that all you can do is execute. All you can do is execute. And then the outcome, it can either go in or not go in. So thankfully for us tonight, those shots went in.
Kim, good evening. Nung shoot mo yung una mong three, yung kumpiyansa ka na nakuha mo na yun?
Sa overtime, yes, nakuha ko talaga yung kumpiyansa ko doon. And lagi namang sinasabihan ng mga veteran talaga na itira ko lang pag pinasana sa corner. And ayun, kami na lang din kasi, kaya matibay na lang din talaga. Tsaka, nag-focus kami sa defense, and ayun, ang ganda ng defense namin yung simula first quarter hanggang sa uli.
Even before naman this game, maganda na rin yung pinapakita mo, maganda yung pati scoring, lahat. Ano bang reason doon? Kahit ng mga first few games kasi, yun nga, maganda nila lahat.
Ayun nga, no, binibigyan ako ng chance ni Coach Shot and ayoko sayangin. And lagi ko naman ito tinatrabaho. And ayun, praise God dahil dinidinig ni Lord yung mga dasal ko.
Coach, congratulations, happy birthday. Coach, bukod kay team, you're getting stellar contributions kay Sean Kitemis, particularly on defense, is taking advantage sa minuto na nakuha niya.
Yeah, he was an important piece of our game plan, including Gio Alalon, Paul Varilla, Henry Galinato, because like I said, the only way we would win this game, the only way we would have a chance in this game is to play some lockdown defense. And it's one of our better defenders, and that's why they were on the court at that time. Shout out also to Ralir, coming off couple of days practice. He just wouldn't give up. He wouldn't allow his teammates to give up. So we hope to get continued inspired performances from everyone. And in the end, as long as you don't give up, you will always have a chance. And I think it was exemplified in this ball game.
Sabi mo kanina may sakit ka? Ano bang nangyari?
Oo, actually kahapon pa talaga masama paramdam ko. And then pagising ko kanina, parang tatarangkasuhin na talaga ako. And ayun nga, tinawagan ko pa si Roger, ayun na, kasi masama talaga paramdam ko. Ayun nga, may
Hindi naman doktor yun, tinawagan. Ba't di si Doc tinawagan? Captain Roger kasi, Captain Roger.
Ayun, may nakita akong Bible verse nakalagay doon sa Isaiah 40:31. Those who hope in the Lord, they will renew their strength. Ayun, pinanghawakan ko lang yun. And ayun, buti lang dininig nila yung dasal ko. And yan, buti na gawa namin trabaho namin yung gabi.
Anong pakiramdam mo ngayon? Sama ka ba?
Okay na.
Coach, pastor naman pala si Pugoy.
Itong talagang pastor sa amin. Isang pastor sa amin. Siya dapat lang talaga nagbibigay ng Bible study sa amin. Kaya lang ayaw niya magsalita eh. Hindi nagsasalita yan eh. Puro nakatahimik sa team namin. But he lets his game do the talking. So, it's all good.
One more question.
Coach, sabi ko lang. Tuesday, play NLEX, unbeaten, pero si Coach Jimmy, masabi mo lang doon sa game eh.
Pa-relaxin mo naman ako sa birthday ko. Isipin ko na ka. Not only are they unbeaten, but they're playing at a very high level. Higher than any other team in the league, to be very honest with you. And great job Coach Jimmy is doing there. I'm so proud of the job that he's doing. And again, it's going to be a huge challenge for us. I hope we can be deserving of going on the same floor with them to compete against them, especially with all our injuries. But tama ka, this is going to be a really, really big mountain for us. But we will just approach it the way we've always approached it, just piece by piece. Put one foot in front of the other and just focus on what's in front of us. And right now, what's in front of us is our rest. We'll take a rest tomorrow, come back ready to figure out a way to stop the juggernaut that is NLEX for our next game.
What will be different coaching against your former captain?
Yes, and it will be an honor coaching against a legitimate NBA coach. It will be an honor, and like I said, I just hope that we are deserving of that honor to be on the same floor with them.
With that, we end our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen, for your time.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.